Welcome to KioWare University, where we show you the ins and outs of using KioWare to its fullest potential. In this video, we'll be showing you how to manage and upgrade your KioWare product licenses from your account dashboard. To get started with managing and upgrading your KioWare licenses, first, navigate to the account login page. After entering your account credentials and hitting Login, you will be directed to your account summary page. Here, you can see an itemized list of your transactions, the date they were purchased, a description of the transaction, if applicable, and the number of single licenses available for use from the transactions. To manage licenses, select the receipt number associated with the licenses you'd like to manage. At this point, you will be directed to a transaction details page that shows more information regarding the selected transaction. Scrolling to the bottom of this page, you will see the option to Manage Licenses. Click this option to see specific information about each license within the transaction selected. Using this page, you can print a license certificate for your records, search for specific criteria within each license, request a license reset, which we will cover in another video, and edit your license code and kiosk name using the Edit link under the Actions column. Now, let's say you just renewed your maintenance and support package with KioWare and want to upgrade to the latest version of your KioWare product. To do that, navigate to the Your Downloads page by clicking the link at the top of your dashboard. Here, you will see all of the KioWare products you have downloaded, as well as the versions for which you are entitled. To check to see if you have the latest version of KioWare downloaded, open up your KioWare configuration tool and look at the upper left corner of that window. Here it will show the version of KioWare that you're running. In this case, we are running version 8.29, but now that our maintenance and support has been updated, we can update to version 8.32 as our dashboard says we are entitled to this latest version of KioWare. To update, click the free download button and allow your device to download the installer. After the download is complete, run the installer tool to update your version of KioWare. Now that you have updated your version of KioWare, it's time to check your KioWare config tool to make sure your version has been successfully updated. To do this, close any instance of the KioWare configuration tool completely. Once closed, reopen the configuration tool, and the version number in the upper left corner should reflect the newest version of KioWare, in this case, version 8.32. If your configuration tool does not reflect the latest version of KioWare, please try this process again. If it still fails to update, feel free to contact us via phone, chat, or at support@kioware.com. Thank you for watching KioWare University, where we show you the ins and outs of using KioWare to its fullest potential.